Hi everyone, I'm Rodrigo Andrade from watsonx.data product and manager team, and I'm really excited to share that watsonx.data now offers a managed remote MCP server, exposing a broad and growing list of tools supporting different moments of the data lifecycle and different personas, from data engineering to business users. You can find the full list of tools and usage details in the product documentation. Let's jump to the demo. For this demo, I will use a brand new watsonx.data instance, and as a MCP client, I will use Claude, but any MCP-compatible agent can be used. Setup is really straightforward. We even provide in the documentation a ready-to-use JSON configuration. You can simply copy and paste into your MCP roles, updating only your instance location, your API key, and your instance CRN. You can find all these informations in the product documentation. Let's start simple. I will ask what engines do I have available. Claude will use watsonx.data list engines tool and will list that I have Presto and Spark engines running and that both were created by me. From here, I could create pause or resume engines, I could explore the schemas, list tables, or ingest data. Speaking of ingestion, let's do that. I will ask Claude to create an ingestion job to load a CSV file from my bucket into a new Iceberg table called sales data in the banking analytics schema. That is a schema that I have already. So first, Claude is checking if the banking analytics schema already exists in my catalog and is using the list schemas tool for that. Now that it's confirmed, Claude is asking me to use the data ingestion tool. The ingestion job has been created and now is running, and also bring me a summary of everything related to this job. I can ask what is the status of this ingestion. And Claude is asking me to use the tool get ingestion job, and note that it still is starting. As it's not a big file, I'll try again now, check the ingestion status. And now it's okay. Now it's completely, and I have the full summary of all the information that I needed. And now it's asking me, would you like to run some queries against it? Yes. I will ask, explain in simple terms which products drove the business in 2025. Let's see if it will find the right data to answer my question. It's using the query tool, and now it's bringing me a natural language explanation with all the information related to the products that drove the business in 2025. It's a financial data set, so all the informations are related to these products. And you can see no SQL, just intent. And it even brings some insights about the answer. And now you can ask me, can I modify something, modify the structure? Yeah, you can. So I will ask now, add a column called revenue tier of type varchar to the sales data table in the Iceberg catalog. And it's already done. The column was created. I could now populate this column if I want or update something. But to finalize this demo, I want to go deeper in performance and optimization. So I will ask to analyze the execution plan for a really specific query. Let's see how it works. I will ask analyze the execution plan for this query. Select everything from sales data where region is Pacific and client segment is corporate. It's asking me to use an explain query tool and also analyze query tool. I will allow both. And here's a natural language breakdown of the execution plan, how this query will be executed, and also the cost estimates at a glance. So I know everything about that. The performance, recommendations, it's really, really easy. And this is just a small sample. As I said, you have a really broad and growing list of tools that you can use your agent interface. watsonx.data is your agent-ready data platform designed to let you interact with your data using intent, not complexity. Stay tuned for more.